Hello guys, Selamun Alaikum. Today we're gonna repair this power supply who is used in security cameras and a lot of places. This is very easy to repair. Why buy new when we can repair? First we must open it and see what is broken. Yes, we open it and it is not so clean inside. Now we must clean it, my friend. Tarararam, and it's some cleaner now. After cleaning it, let's try give it some power and see what happens. Yes, now we have given some electricity to the power supply. After cleaning it, we look at this and please come closer. Yes, yeah, we see here. We see here. Oh. We look. Yes, there is nothing wrong here, and the light is lighting now automatically. We haven't done anything, only cleaning, my friend. Only by cleaning, this power supply is now working. So this device is working now. We only made some cleaning. It was enough. But we will make some more videos how to repair this power supplies. We have a lot instead of throwing out, and you can see it is very easy, my friend. Peace out. Have a nice day. If you have any question, please ask.